नमस्ते दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है मेरे इस YouTube चैनल बैंक अचीवर पे। दोस्तों, आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कंप्यूटर अवेयरनेस के 150 मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट MCQs बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस पार्ट 1। जी हाँ फ्रेंड्स, ऑन स्टूडेंट्स डिमांड कंप्यूटर के लिए कहाँ से पढ़ना है, काफ़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है लोगों को PDF सर्च करने में और उसमें, तो हमने इस पे वीडियो बनाया है 150 MCQs पे, जिसको 3 पार्ट्स में हमने डिवाइड किया है। 50 क्वेश्चंस ईच पार्ट में आपको देखने को मिलेगा, तो हमारे साथ इस वीडियो को ज़रूर देखें। फ्रेंड्स, जैसा कि हमने एक्सपेक्टेड कट ऑफ IBPS RRB प्री का हमने डिस्कस किया था लास्ट वीडियो में, तो जिसका गुड अटेम्प्ट्स रहा है विद 100% एक्यूरेसी प्रीलिम्स में, वो अपनी मेंस की प्रिपरेशन अभी से शुरू कर दें। वो रिज़ल्ट का वेट ना करें, क्योंकि रिज़ल्ट के बाद टाइम बहुत कम बचता है और मेंस की पढ़ाई बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, बहुत वास्ट है कोर्स सिलेबस, तो इसीलिए वो अपना बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए अपने मेंस की प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट कर दें। तो आ जाइए फ्रेंड्स, हम शुरू करते हैं मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट कंप्यूटर अवेयरनेस MCQ बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस। इस वीडियो के हमारे साथ अंत तक बने रहिएगा, और जिसने चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया अभी तक वो सब्सक्राइब कर ले ताकि आगे हमारे साथ जुड़े रहें। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे स्क्रीन पे है, हम पहले बेसिक से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। व्हाट इज़ एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम? A, it is an interface between user and computer. B, it manages all resources. C, it does all process management tasks. या D, all of the above. या E, none of these. So right answer is all of the above. जी हाँ फ्रेंड्स, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम इज़ अ सॉफ्टवेयर that works as an interface between a user and computer hardware. It also manages all resources. It does all process management tasks. So all of above is the right answer. Now next question. Which process checked to ensure the components of computers are operating and connected properly? A, booting. B, processing. C, saving. D, editing. या E, none of these. So the right answer is A, booting. Yes, booting is a startup sequence that starts the operating system of a computer when it is turned on. फिर चलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे। द एबिलिटी ऑफ एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम टू रन मोर देन वन एप्लीकेशन एट अ टाइम इज कॉल्ड ए, मल्टीटास्किंग। बी, ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग। सी, मल्टी यूज़र कंप्यूटिंग। डी, रियल टाइम। या तो ई, नन ऑफ दीज. सो द राइट आंसर इज ए, मल्टीटास्किंग. द एबिलिटी ऑफ एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम टू रन मोर देन वन एप्लीकेशन किस पे रन कर सकते हैं? मल्टीटास्किंग. उसे क्या कहते हैं? मल्टीटास्किंग. सो नाउ मूव ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Which of the following is used to switch between open programs? A, Alt plus Tab. B, Control plus Tab. C, Shift plus Tab. D, Control plus Alt. या E, Alt plus Shift. So the right answer is A, Alt plus Tab. Now next question. To move to the beginning of a line of a text, press the dash key. A, Escape key. B, Page up. C, enter. D, home. या E, none of these. So the right answer is D, home. To move to the beginning of a line of a text हमें home key की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. Now next question. Which among the following is a language used in a computer that is very similar to the language of a humans and is easy to understand? A, source code. B, machine language. C, high level language. D, object code. या E, assembly language. So the right answer is C, high level language is a programming language. जैसे कि C लैंग्वेज हो गई, फोर्ट्रेन और पास्कल, ये सब लैंग्वेज होती है सिमिलर टू लैंग्वेज टू ह्यूमंस के लिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिजिटल कंप्यूटर कंटेन डैश. ए, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वॉल्व्स. बी, न्यूरल नेटवर्क्स. सी, फजी लॉजिक. डी, सेमीकंडक्टर मेमोरी. या E, none of these. Right answer is A, electronic valves. Next question. What is the sequence of events that occurs in the computer when it is interpreting and executing an instruction known as A, execution cycle. B, instruction cycle, C working cycle, D machine cycle या E none of the above. Right answer is B instruction cycle. Next question. Dash is a Windows utility program that located and eliminates unnecessary fragments and rearranges field and unused to disk space to optimize operations. Options are A backup, B disk cleanup, C disk defragmenter, D restore या E disk restorer. Right answer is C disk defragmenter. Move to next question. 10th one. Which command is used to set a name to a disk in DOS? A volume, B vol, C label, D disk label या E none of these. Right answer is C label. Move to 11th question. A dash is an electronic device that processes data, converting it into information. Options are A processor, B computer, C case, D stylus, E none of the above. Right answer is B computer. Computer is an electronic device that processes data, converting it into information. Okay. Now next is 12th one. Dash computers represent data as variable points along a continuous spectrum of values. Options are A analog, B digital, C precise, D mainframe, E none of these. Right answer is A analog computers represent data as variable points along a continuous spectrum of values. So move to next question, 13th one. Which of the following is used by the tablet PC to write on the screen? A finger, B mouse, C digitalizer, D stylus या E none of these. Right answer is D stylus. Stylus is used by the tablet PC to write on the screen. It's basically an instrument for writing on computers and input device used to write text or draw lines on a surface as input to a computer. Move to next. A word in a web page that when clicked opens another document. Options are A anchor, B URL, C hyperlink, D reference, E none of the above. Right option is C hyperlink. Move to next. 15th one. A network's dash is the central structure that connects other portion of the network. Options are A trunk, B backbone, C protocol, D server, E none of these. Right option is B backbone. A network backbone is a central structure that connects other portion of the network. Move to 16th one. You can organize your bookmark using dash. A structures, B containers, C folders, D menus, E chart. Right option is C folders. Now 17th one. Which key will launch the start button? Options are A escape, B shift, C windows, D shortcut or E none of the above. Right answer is C windows will launch the start button. Now 18th one. Computers use the dash number system to store data and perform calculations. Options are A decimal, B hexadecimal, C binary, D octal, E none of these. Right option is C binary. Computer use the binary number system to store data and perform calculations. Now move to 19th one. Floppy drives, hard drives and tape drives all use a dash to read data. Options are A laser, B sensor, C magnet, D pen, E none of these. Right answer is C magnet. Floppy drives, hard drives and tape drives all use a magnet to read the data. Now next one is 20th question. The number of pixels displayed on a screen is known as screen dash. Options are A resolution, B color depth, C refresh rate, D viewing size, E none of these. Right answer is A resolution. Next is 21. Word is a word processor developed by Microsoft. In MS Word, spelling check is a feature available in which tab? Options are A. Page layout, B. Home, C. Insert, D. Review, E. References. Right answer is D. Review. Word is a word processor developed by Microsoft. In MS Word, spelling check is a feature in Review tab. Now move to next one, 22. The blank white area near the edges of every page in a Word document is known as. Options are A. Cut mark, B. Margin, C. New area, D. Gutter, E. Indent. Right answer is B. Margin. Now move to 23rd one. Which of the following software posts unwanted advertisement on a client's computer? A. Virus, B. Malware, C. Worm, D. Adware, E. Logic bombs. Right answer is D. Adware. Now move to next one. In which group can you find or replace text and select text or object in a document? A. Proofing, B. Paragraph, C. Editing, D. Font, E. None of these. Right answer is C. Editing. Now next one. Walkie-talkie is an example of which of the following? A. Simple communication, B. Half duplex communication, C. Full duplex communication, D. Semi duplex communication, or E. None of these. Right option is B. Half duplex communication. Walkie-talkie is a half duplex communication. Now move to 26th one. What happens when you boot up a PC? A. Portion of the operating system are copied from disk into memory. B. Portion of the operating system are copied from memory onto disk. C. Portion of the operating system are compiled. D. Portion of the operating system are emulated. Or E. The PC gets switched off. The right answer is A. When you boot your PC, portion of the operating system are copied from disk into memory. Okay. Now next one, 27. Which of the following is not a computer language? A. High level language, B. Machine language, C. Low level language, D. Medium level language, or E. All of the above. Right answer is D. Medium level language. Next one, 28 one. The dash folder retains copies of messages that you have started but are not yet ready to send. A. Drafts, B. Outbox, C. Address book, D. Sent items, E. Inbox. Right answer is A. Drafts. So next one, Linux is an OS based on. Options are DBMS, B. Unix, C. Network node, D. J2EE, or E. Python. Right answer is B. Unix. Move on to 30th question. Which of the following is used to close a tab on a browser? Options are A. Control plus T, B. Control plus W, C. Control plus A, D. Control plus Y, or E. None of the above. Right answer is B. Control plus W. Next, 31. Before use of DBMS, information was stored using. Options are A. Cloud storage, B. Data system, C. File management system, D. Cloud computing, E. None of these. Right answer is C. File management system. Next, OSI model has how many layers? A. 2 layers, B. 5 layers, C. 7 layers, D. 6 layers, E. 8 layers. Right answer is C. 7 layers. OSI model stands for Open System Interconnection, and it has seven models, 7 layers. Now next, which one of the following is a set of one or more attributes taken collectively to uniquely identify a record? Options are A. Candidate key, B. Sub key, C. Super key, D. Foreign key, E. None of these. Right answer is C. Super key. Next, 34th, which one of the following is Internet Standard Protocol? Options are A. TML, B. COBOL, C. Java, D. C++, E. TCP/IP. Right answer is E. TCP/IP, which stands for Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol, is an industry standard protocol suited for WAN. So it's an Internet Standard Protocol. So move to next question, 35th. The feature in database language that allows us to access certain records in database is called dash. Options are A. Query, B. Forms, C. Reports, D. Tables, E. Node. Right answer is A. Query. Move to next. UDP and TCP are categorized under the dash layer of the OSI model. Options are A. Data link, B. Application, C. Network, D. Transport, E. Session. Right answer is D. Transport. Move to next question. SMTP, FTP and DNS are applications protocol of the dash layer. Options are A. Data link, B. Network, C. Transport, D. Application, E. None of these. Right answer is D. Application. Next, in the ER diagram, what does an ellipse represent? Options are A. Entity sets, B. Relation between the entity set, C. Attributes, D. Link between the attributes and entity set, or E. None of these. Right answer is C. Attributes. Move to next. The address 198.10.10.0 belongs to dash. Options are A. Class A, B. Class B, C. Class C, D. Class D, E. None of these. Right answer is C. Class C. Move to next question. Which of the following technique is used to send more than one calls over a single line? Options are A. Digital transmission, B. Infrared transmission, C. Digitizing, D. Multiplexing, E. None of these. Right answer is D. Multiplexing. Move to next. Which one of the following refers to the forging of a return address on an email so that the email message appears to come from someone other than the actual sender? Options are A. Spoofing, B. Redacting, C. Spamming, D. Farming, E. Ransomware. Right answer is A. Spooling. Spooling is a forging of the return address on an email so that the email message appears to come from someone other than the actual sender. Okay. Now next one, 42. Which of the following refers to blacking out portion of the document, usually to protect confidential information so that it cannot be recovered later? Options are A. Redacting, B. Encrypting, C. Spoofing, D. Defacing, E. Botnet. Right answer is A. Redacting. Redacting means blacking out portions of the document, usually to protect confidential information so that it cannot be recovered later. Okay. Next, 43. A dash typically connects personal computers within a very limited geographical area, usually within a single building. Options are A. LAN, B. FAN, C. TAN, D. WAN, E. VPN. Right answer is A. LAN. Now next one. In which type of a malicious act hacker contacts you by phone or email and attempt to acquire your password? A. Spoofing, B. Phishing, C. Spamming, D. Bugging, E. None of these. Right answer is B. Phishing. Phishing is a cybercrime in which a targets are contacted by email or telephone or text message. So move to next. while browsing the internet, which of the following key is used for full screen view? Options are A F3, B F5, C F11, D F9, E F1. Right answer is C F11. Now next, which of the following type of software secretly collects information about you and your internet habits? Options are A detectware, B spam, C spyware, D spooling, E none of these. Right answer is C spyware. Which of the following is a common name for the crime of a stealing password? A spooling, B ransomware, C hacking, D spoofing, E none of these. Right answer is D spoofing. Spoofing refers to spoofing means tricking or deceiving computer system or other computer users. This is typically done by hiding one's identity or taking the identity of another user on internet. So the next one is, which of the following device enabling data transfer between two different networks? Options are A plotter, B joystick, C gateway, D path, E none of these. Right answer is C gateway. Gateway is a network node that connects two networks using different protocols together. Next one is, which of the following is related to simplex communication? Options are A single wire and two-sided communication, B television, C two-wire communication, D walkie-talkie, E none of these. Right answer is B television. Television is a simplex communication. Now move to the last one, 50th one. Which of the following is not a web browser? A Firefox, B Safari, C FTP, D Edge, or E both C and D. Right answer is C FTP. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. It's not a web browser. It is a standard network protocol basically used for transfer of computer files between a client and server on a computer network. सो फ्रेंड्स, इसी के साथ हमने 50 क्वेश्चंस अपने कंप्लीट कर लिए फर्स्ट पार्ट के। हम अपना नेक्स्ट पार्ट जल्दी रिलीज़ करेंगे। बाकी जॉब अपडेट्स और नोटिफिकेशन के लिए आप रिजल्ट अड्डा पे जाके देख सकते हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, फॉर एनी क्वेरीज एंड सजेशन प्लीज़ कमेंट इन आवर कमेंट बॉक्स, वी विल रिजॉल्व। फॉर मोर PDFs प्लीज़ ज्वाइन आवर फेसबुक एंड टेलीग्राम ग्रुप, लिंक इज़ गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स। अगर ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू।